let's make my spectacular chocolate spider cookies. To make our chocolate ganache, pour some cream over the chocolate chips, add the butter and melt in the microwave for 1 minute. Stir well to ensure all the chocolate chips are melted and place into the fridge for a minimum of 3 hours to set. For the cookie dough, into the bowl, add the butter and sugar, and with a wooden spoon, mix well until soft and pale. To this, add the milk and vanilla and mix well to incorporate. And finally, we add our dry ingredients, corn flour, salt, and plain flour, and mix until combined. Place this cookie dough into the fridge and chill for 30 minutes. Divide this chilled cookie dough into 12 balls, flatten slightly, and with a floured thumb, press into the center of each cookie and pop into the preheated oven. While our cookies are cooling, time to roll our ganache. Scoop out 12 balls and roll and set to one side. Fill a small piping bag with chocolate and pipe 8 legs on each cookie. Top each cookie with a chocolate ganache ball. And to finish, add on a pair of googly Halloween eyes. If there is one recipe that you make this Halloween, it has got to be these gem chocolate spider cookies.